Fomaingifo means dentist in Samoan. Taungata means expensive. So ole fomaingifo taungata is the expensive dentist. Remember, the O is just a present tense marker for nouns, like saying it is, and then le means the. We would say ole fomaingifo taungata if we are just wanting to identify the dentist. We see him walking and then we say, hey, ole fomaingifo taungata. We just identified him with the subject phrase. But if we want to take that phrase and turn it into a sentence, a common Samoan sentence structure is tense marker, action or adjective, and subject. The present tense marker for actions, adjectives, and adverbs is e. Taungata is the adjective or description word, and the subject is fomaingifo. E taungata le fomaingifo. All right, let's do some practice. If somebody asked you to reword the phrase, ta'avale means car, fo means new, ole ta'avale fo. E fo le ta'avale. Pepe is baby, fia is happy or to like, ole pepe fia. E fia le pepe. So if you get a Samoan question that asks you to rephrase the subject phrase that has a description, then separate the description from the noun and start the sentence with tense, then the description or the adjective, and then the noun.